In this video, you'll learn how to customize global POS settings and apply venue-wide rules that affect every POS device. We'll look at where to access global POS settings, how receipts are handled at checkout, and how tipping is configured across your venue. Global POS settings control how POS behaves at a venue level. Unlike device or template settings, these rules apply automatically across all POS devices. They're usually configured once, then reviewed as needed. These aren't settings you'll adjust daily. From Venue Manager, go to Apps, Point of Sale, then Settings. This is where you control key parts of the checkout experience, including how receipts are handled, how tips are prompted and allocated, and which safeguards are in place for staff and guests. Remember, these are global settings that apply across all POS devices and set the standard for how POS works at your venue. In the Receipts section, you can choose how receipts are delivered at checkout. For example, you can allow receipts to be emailed directly from POS. This gives guests a convenient digital option and helps capture guest details, especially for walk-up customers. If your venue supports tipping, scroll to the Tipping section and turn it on. This enables tip prompts across all POS devices. You can then set preset tip percentages, like 15, 18, and 20%. These appear as quick options on the POS and card terminals and help speed up checkout. For venues that run parties or group bookings, you can also choose to calculate tips on the full booking total, not just the amount paid at the register. This helps ensure staff are fairly tipped for the full experience. When you're done, select Save to apply your settings. Because global POS settings apply everywhere, they help create a consistent experience for both staff and guests. They reduce confusion at checkout, enforce venue standards, and make sure every register follows the same rules. You now know how global POS settings shape checkout, receipts, and tipping across your venue. With these rules in place, every POS device follows the same standards, helping you deliver a consistent, secure experience every day.